Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkonye and I'm also known as NdiNaija. Ja. Yo, it's the March Oso Paper box. Yes, Oso Paper has blessed us with March. And this month, from the sneak peeks I saw online, we have 10, as usual, beautiful mininistas in all denim, like revolutionary. I love everything that Danielle gives us in our monthly subscriptions. We get a lot of stuff for either $19.99 a month if you sign up for the monthly subscription, or $50 every 3 months, which translates to, I'm going to need a calculator for this one. 50 over 3, yes, $16.67 per month if you do the 3-month subscription. That means every 3 months your subscription renews with $50. Woohoo! So we get a 10-page coloring book, a magnet, and look at this. Look at this. We get all the black ladies who've become beauty queens in the past year. Miss Universe from South Africa. Miss World from Jamaica. I believe she's from Jamaica. I might be wrong. Miss America, Miss USA, Miss Teen USA. Ooh, ooh. Go women. March is Women's History Month, or Women's Month, I guess. So that's part of why she did this for Women's Month. And yes, oh, ooh, I have the January, February, and March, and ooh, this is good paper. It's not very bright white, so it's like, it's slightly off-white, a little similar to the Erin Condren paper color. Might be a little, no, it's pretty similar. So it's just off-white enough, but that it doesn't hurt your eyes when you look at it. Love it. So you get one of these in every box. I have my this is January, this is February, and this is March. Let's do this. This might end up being the thumbnail for this video. I mean, can you dig it? All right. So that's the sticker. That's the coloring book. Then you have a postcard, the magnet, and then you have stickers. All 10 of the new mininistas for the month, along with the freebie for the month. All 10 of the mininistas, and all of them are wearing denim. You have Vanessa, Milena, ooh, this is so me. Zora, oh, I love this. Trinity with her hat. London, ooh. Giselle, I love this. Pamela, I love all the outfits. Grace, Amani, Nicolette, I see you, Nicolette, I see you. If not for money, I would go back and purchase all 10 of these, just single sheets of all of them. I might still do that. But that's it, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. What do you think about Oso Paper? Oh, by the way, Oso Paper is also the one who produced this calendar that I love so much. This is the March one. Alrighty, folks. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.